Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro with all-in-one station. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking to completely automate floor cleaning in your home, the eufy Omni S1 Pro is about as advanced as it gets. This powerhouse of a robot vacuum and mop combo is loaded with smart features and next-gen technology, all designed to take the hassle out of keeping your floors spotless. Let's start with what makes this robot stand out: the HydroJet cleaning system. Unlike standard mopping robots, the S1 Pro uses high-pressure water jets to deep clean your floors, cutting through sticky messes, dried spills, and more. This system simulates manual scrubbing, giving you a much more effective clean than just dragging a wet cloth across your floor. Under the hood, it packs an 8,000 Pascal suction system, which is one of the most powerful suction ratings on the market today. Whether you have carpets, tiles, or hardwood, this robot can pull up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and dirt with ease. It automatically adjusts its suction based on the surface it's cleaning for optimal performance. One of the biggest highlights is the all-in-one station. This isn't just a charging base, it's the robot's personal cleaning center. The S1 Pro can self-empty its dustbin, auto-wash and dry its mop, and even refill its clean water tank. That means virtually no daily maintenance from you. Just let it do its thing, and it'll take care of the rest. The station also features eco-clean ozone technology, which helps sterilize the mop and prevent odor buildup. This not only makes it more hygienic, but also ensures that you're not just spreading dirty water around your home. Smart navigation is another area where this robot shines. It uses advanced AI-driven obstacle avoidance with laser and 3D mapping tech, so it effortlessly navigates around furniture, cords, shoes, and even small pet toys. It creates accurate maps of your home, plans efficient routes, and avoids re-cleaning the same spots twice. You can control everything from the app, set schedules, define no-go zones, customize room-by-room cleaning, and monitor the cleaning progress in real time. It also integrates with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice commands. Even the design of the robot itself is worth mentioning. It's slim, modern, and sleek with a minimalistic profile that fits well into any home environment. The all-in-one station is compact too, and looks more like a high-end appliance than a cleaning device. So whether you're juggling a busy household, have pets, or just want to upgrade your cleaning routine, the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro delivers the kind of convenience and power that can seriously change the way you clean. Click the link below for the best price, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.